Proper nourishment or providing nutritious food to a child in his or her formative years during preschool, preparatory, and up to 6th grade sets the stage for one's learning capabilities, immunity from illness, and overall physical and mental health. Ergo, today's launch of government's school-based feeding program for preschool kids up to grade 6 learners bankrolled by a 26 billion budget for the rest of the school year. Our Marco Sadi tells us more.
Egeline could not hold back her emotions when we spoke with her. Her grade 2 child is underweight and she said their family has been struggling financially as her husband's income from odd jobs is not enough to support their daily needs.
Mga anak mo sila, tapos hindi mo maibigay yung mga gusto nila, lalo-lalo yung mga sa school, mga pangangailangan nila. Siyempre, sir, mahirap din siya talaga. Kumbaga, wala kayong choice kasi, kasi hindi nyo sila mapag-aral. Parang gano'n na lang, parang pagkakashare nyo na lang yung budget nyo sa araw-araw.
This is what the government aims to address. Earlier today, President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. led the launch of the School-Based Feeding Program or SBFP and milk feeding activity for school year 2026-2027 at the Pulilan Central School in Bulacan. The activity also marked the celebration of Nutrition Month this July. Under the expanded SBFP, all kindergarten and grade 1 learners will receive universal feeding, with malnourished students from grade 2 to grade 6 to be provided with nutritious meals and milk. The program will run for 180 days funded by a 26 billion peso budget.
Alam niyo po, meron tayong feeding program noon na pero kulang-kulang dahil namimili pa tayo kung sino yung mga kulang ang pagkain, hindi nakakain ng mabuti, kahit hindi makapag-aral ng mabuti. Natuklasan naman namin na karamihan naman ay dapat talaga pakainin na lang natin, wag na natin piliin kung sino yung mga dapat bigyan at sino hindi kasama sa feeding program at dahil ginawa po natin kagaya ng sabi ni Seksani.
The President emphasized that students' nutrition must be a priority as it serves as the foundation of their learning. He said the program will also help prevent illness and address stunting, one of the challenges the government continues to tackle.
Ito ay napakalaking bagay para sa akin, dahil alam naman natin na kung minsan ang nagiging dahilan kung bakit hindi makapag-aral na mabuti yung mga kabataan ay kulang sa pagkain. At kaya tinanggal na natin yung problema na yan para tiyak tayo na lahat ng mga pumapasok na nag-aaral ay hindi na kailangan alalahanin ang kanilang kakainin, hindi na alalahanin ang kanilang mga pamilya, ang pamahalaan na ang tutulong at ang pamahalaan na ang magpapakain.
The program has brought relief to Egeline and many other parents who stand to benefit from such initiative.
Sobrang malaking tulong siya, sir, kasi pag hindi ko sila halimbawa sa isang araw, di naman po sa araw-araw ganun hindi ko ma-sustento yung kailangan nila. Dito, may bibigay ng eskwelahan para sa kanila.
Dahil hindi naman po namin lahat na i-provide na bilang magulang, na i-provide yung lahat ng gusto niyang kainin. Kaya malaking pasalamat po namin, sir, na nasali po yung isa kong anak.
Hirap din po kasi kami. Minsan, 2 beses lang kami. Kung minsan, pinapakain ko pa sa gabi, laki me. Wala kami sapat na pambili ng ulam.
Kaya malaking bagay itong
Opo, malaking tulong po. Kaya sa tanghali po, nakakalibre na po silang kumain.
Apart from improving students' nutrition, the President said the program will also benefit local farmers.
Isa pang naging tulong na nangyari dahil dito sa programang ito ay yung mga local na supplier. Yun po ang inuuna namin. Hindi kami bumibili sa mga lalaking grocery. Hanggat maaari, lahat ng ibinibigay ng pamahalaan, hindi lamang dito sa feeding program, pati sa DSWD, lahat po ng ahensya ng gobyerno, inuuna po bilhin ang mga lokal na produkto.
A joint administrative order was also signed today between the Department of Education and the Department of Agriculture. The agreement formalizes the framework for supply mapping, quality assurance, and local milk procurement in partnership with the National Dairy Authority and the Philippine Carabao Center.
Hopefully, kasi syempre alam niyo naman year to year ang budgeting natin. So kami aapela muli sa ating opisyales at syempre sa lehislatura na pondohan ito, napakagandang programa.
Pondo namin magagamit namin sa pagbili ng gatas na ibibigay sa DepEd for school feeding. So definitely direct purchase to sa mga farmer co-ops natin at the right price na maging profitable sila.
Marcos Sadi for The Nation.